In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove a background using Movavi software, if this is the software or the editing tools that you're using when you're editing a video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's do this. All right, now I'm here on my screen. All right, so I'm going to open the Movavi software. Okay, so this is the Movavi, as you see there on the top. It's a Video Suite 23. So if you want to try this one, I'm going to put the link on the description, guys. And if you want to try this software, and then feel free to try. Okay, this is a very friendly editing software, but it's, I think some of those editing software has this kind of features like background remover and so on. So if you are using Movavi, then this tutorial is for you, for those who do not know. Okay, there you go. As you see here, in this software, you have to edit a video, you can convert your video, you can record computer screen, and a lot more. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna just show you guys how you can erase the background and change the background that you want. Okay, first we're going to create a new project. All right, so now here we go. We are now here, and you can choose which one you want to do for your video. But in this tutorial, I'm just gonna create a new project so that you can see from the very beginning. All right, so now we are here. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to click the add files. We need to get the video or pictures that you want to remove the background. Okay, I'm gonna click that one and go to your files, or choose what kind of videos or pictures that you want to remove the background. Right, for example, I'm gonna take this one and I'm going to put here, and then I'm going to add another one because I want to change the background. So I'm gonna go here and add a files, and I want to see which one I can get. Okay, all right, so now here I'm gonna choose one background that I want to use for this tutorial. Okay, let's say I want to choose this one, and then now here you go. I'm going to remove the background on this one, so I'm gonna drag this one over here, and it's too long. Okay, I'm gonna change it because it is too long, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit from here, maybe here. All right, I'm gonna split this one, and this is how you can split it and delete this one. All right, so now I'm going to remove a background from this. Okay, so to do that, you see this one, just click these more tools, and you will see here a background removal. Okay, so here is the background removal. Just click this one, but you have to click this one first so that you know what we're going to remove. So there are quick here, and there is a precise. So quick is a high processing speed, average accuracy, and the precise one is the high accuracy, average processing speed. So we want this to precise. We want a high accuracy. So I'm going to remove this one, click the remove, and let's wait for a moment, and it will show up the result after. All right, so now we're done, and you see there's no more background, just me. All right, so now what we're going to do next is we're going to add the new background. To do that, click this plus sign, and let's add a video track. Let's add a new track, and let's just drag this one over here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put this under the video that we the first video that we put in here. So now, as you see, I already had the background here. You see the size, right? So you can change the size, but if you want to upload this into a mobile phone or your Facebook or Facebook Reels or TikTok, then you can just stick onto this size. But if you want to upload this on YouTube, so here the XYZ, the X, so you just click on that, and it's on the XY settings. So here you can choose the setting of the video that you want. So I'm gonna choose a 16:9 for YouTube, so it's gonna be like this. Okay, so now here you can resize this one like this. You can make it bigger. You can still move wherever you want here, right there, right here. All right, so yeah, this is how you can do the background remover, and then just you know, put this one wherever you want in your video. All right, there you go. All right, oops. All right, so now I'm here. So if you want to play with this, you can now
Hey guys, look at
okay, but I need to delete the audio for this video because I upload 2 videos, so I just want to use the audio for this. So I'm gonna delete this one so I can just hear what this.
Hey guys, look at this beautiful island in Japan. It's Miyajima Island. I went on a trip to Miyajima, which is the sightseeing spot in Japan. And there is a place there where you can see torii floating on the sea, if you can see the picture.
See?
And I want you to see it when you visit in Japan.
All right, so now you see it cuts, right? So then you can just adjust this one here, guys. There you go. So it on the same size. See that, guys? So yeah. So this is how you can remove the background and change the background if you want to. And you can also rearrange this one wherever you want. So this is how you do this. So if you want to do this, so we're going to save this one, right? So I'm going to show you guys one more new features in Movavi. I'm going to export this one first, guys. So to export this one, click the export and let's export this, let's say background tutorial. Okay, I'm just going to put some images. And then let's start saving it. I'm going to save in a high and then I'm going to start saving it and then let's see. So once we save that, if you want to convert your video into 4K, 2K, you know, in Movavi Software 2023, Movavi Suite Software 2023, you can make your video into 4K. So to do that, I'm going to show you guys, okay? So now I'm, okay, going back here. I'm going to close this one. And yes, just save it, right? Let's just say all right, so now to do the conversion of your video, here is the convert video. If you want to convert your video into 4K, you're gonna launch this one and it will show you the conversion of the video that you want to. Okay, so let's wait for a moment and it will pop up. So we're going to upload again the video that we made into this setting. Add files, drag the drop and files into the program on the window. Just click the plus sign and then I'm going to find out the video that just made. Where is it? There you go. So this is the video that we made and then I'm gonna open this one and it will show here. So now you will see here there are a lot of conversion that you can choose from. Okay, click the icon for the format you need, and if that format doesn't appear in the menu, enter into the search field. Okay, but now I'm good with this, so I want this format to be in a 4K. Okay, so to do that, you see that one, if you want to make it on the iPhone JPEG, you can just play with this, guys. But here, so now once you upload your video here, you will see here the AI upscaling. They have an AI here that we can upscale our video. So just click this AI upscaling. So we're going to drag the video or video here so we can see how it looks like. Okay, there you go, and I'm gonna open this one here. And here you go. So you will see, guys, what's the difference of this when it's changing. Okay, so here is the before. This is the before and this is the after. So okay, I'm gonna click the upscale and you can see, guys, how it looks like. Okay, then upscale and now it's upscaling. So let's wait for a moment and let's see how it looks like. All right, so now we're done. All right, so now let's see how it looks like. So it's saved somewhere in my Movavi library. I can play with that. Let's see. Oh, there you go. So let's play with this. Okay, do you see, guys, how it looks like? It's very clear, right? Than the 2K. So if you want to make your video to upscale to 4K, you can do that on Movavi Suite 2023. All right, so now once we've done with this, since I have already upscaled it, okay, and then you're going to save that into the, I've already saved it, right? So you save it wherever you want to save it. If you're using Movavi Suite 2023, you can use the background remover, you can use the converting or upscaling your video to 2K to 4K, and then you can upload it on YouTube. Okay, I hope this helps, guys. So that's how you can upscale your video to 2K to 4K, and then just use the Movavi Suite 2023 editing software. And here you can also choose the video. What kind of video do you want? If you want to be like a 4K, and then just, you know, select this one. So you can just the device that you are using here, the audio that you are using, all the images that you want to use for here, you can also use this to upscale or to you know, upgrade your videos or pictures. All right, so now since we're done with this, I'm going back to Movavi here, and all you have to do is just to get a new project. If you want to do the same thing, you want to change the background of your video or photos, and if you want to upscale it, you can just go to convert video, you launch it, and then it will give you the frame of which scale you want to use for your video. And there's also a record computer screen here. If you want to record your computer screen, if you do some tutorials or things like that, you can also use this record computer screen for your video editing software. All right, so I hope this helps, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and hope you like my tutorial. And on my next video, I will cover another video tutorial on some new features for Video Suite Movavi 2023. All right, thank you guys for watching. So if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So bye for now.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still